Let's learn a very simple and a beautiful concept. This is a very important concept. Observe this. I'm going to give you a ratio. What is that ratio? 1 upon 2. I'm giving you one more ratio, 2 upon 4. My question is this ratio equal to the first one? Check. Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because 2 ones are 2 twos are. That means you get 1 upon 2. It's equal. I give you one more ratio, 3 upon 6. Is this equal to the first one? 3 ones are 3 twos are. Yes, it is equal. That means here we have equal ratios. Ratios are equal. Okay. Let's see what happens when ratios are equal. We'll do certain operations there. Observe. I'm going to form a new ratio now. And I'm going to form this new ratio by adding the numerators of all equal ratio and the denominators of all equal ratio. Let's do that. So when I add the numerator, what do I get? 1 plus 2 plus 3. And in the denominator, I add it, I get 2 plus 4 plus 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. In the numerator, I'll get 6. In the denominator, 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So I get 6 upon 12. How much is that? It is 1 upon 2. That means we are saying that this new ratio is again equal to each and every ratio. Now, I'm not going to add all. I just pick up two equal ratios and let's see what happens there. Now, I'm forming a new ratio by adding only the numerator and the denominator of these two, right? So let's add. So 1 plus 2 and in the denominator it is 2 plus 4. So what do we get? 1 plus 2 is 3 and in the denominator 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. So 3 upon 6. What is that? 1 upon 2. Yes, that is also equal. That means we are saying that this ratio is again equal to each and every ratio. Beautiful. So we did the addition. Let's check for subtraction also. Is it fine or is it correct? Let's see. I picked up this 2. Now let's subtract. So I'm forming a new ratio by subtracting the numerator and the denominator now. So 3 minus 2. Pick up 3 minus 2 in the numerator and in the denominator 6 minus 4. Okay. 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. That means again I get this ratio equal to each and every ratio. So what did we see? Whenever ratios are equal, if we form a new ratio by adding the numerator and adding the denominator, that new ratio is equal to each and every ratio. It's the same even if we are subtracting. We are forming a new ratio by subtracting the numerator and subtracting the denominator. That new ratio is again equal to each and every ratio. And this theorem is called as theorem on equal ratios. But remember, it can only be applied when ratios are equal. Remember that. Okay. And called as theorem on equal ratios.